Hello flow farmers, how are you guys doing today? If you've seen my previous videos, you probably already know about Fantom. And Fantom is also doing an incentive program. So if that by any chance has raised your attention and now you want to know how to bridge your assets all the way to the Fantom network, then I'm going to teach you in today's video. So if your assets are either in the xDai chain, the Matic Mainnet, the Binance Smart chain, the Avalanche network, or the Huobi Eco, which I have never heard of before, then this tutorial is going to be for you. But let's get right into it. So the first website I'm going to show you is called xPollinate. So it's xPollinate.io. So xPollinate.io. And once you get here, you're going to see this cross-chain bridge. And it's pretty straightforward. You can bridge either DAI, USDC, or USDT from either the DAI chain, Matic chain, Fantom, or Binance Smart chain, all the way to, again, one of those four. So you can cross-chain swap between all these chains. So let's say we right now have some assets, we have some USDC in the Matic Mainnet, and we have to go all the way to the Fantom Mainnet. The first thing you're gonna do, you need to have your FantomNet address already saved in your MetaMask. You already need to have done that first step. Once you have done that, you need to copy and paste your MetaMask address, which you can find by clicking into your MetaMask icon, copying it. It should be the same one as this, but really big. And you should paste it right here. Once you've pasted it, you're gonna click swap. You're gonna accept all the notifications that are gonna pop up, and then your USDC is gonna migrate from the Matic Mainnet all the way to the Fantom Mainnet, and this applies from all the other networks to the Fantom network. So it's the same process if you want to go from the Binance Smart chain all the way to the Fantom Mainnet. You're gonna put your receiver address, which if you're using MetaMask is the same one. The address where you're sending from and the address where you're sending to is the same one. You're gonna paste it right here, click swap, wait a little, click confirm and accept on all the notifications, and after a while, and after you pay that little gas fee, your assets are gonna be transferred to the Fantom Mainnet. Now remember, if you are in the BSC, the Binance Smart chain, your gas fees are gonna be in BNB. But if you are in xDai, your gas fees are gonna be in DAI. I don't know, I've never used it, but I think it's in DAI. If you're in the Matic Mainnet, your gas fees are gonna be in Matic. And if you're in the Fantom Mainnet, your gas fees are gonna be in Fantom. So you need to make sure you have these native tokens in your wallet so you can pay the transaction fees. But what if your assets are already, let's say, into the Avalanche network? How do you transfer those? You can see right here, there's no Avalanche here for you to transfer. Then we move to a different website. Now we go to elk.finance. So if you type elk.finance, you're gonna go to this page right here. You click on ElkNet. So right here, as you can see, I moved it to the Avalanche network. And how does it work? This bridge is still in beta. So it has a few limitations. First of all, you can only bridge ELK. So you need to swap your USDC, your USDT, whatever you have into ELK, the ELK token. You just click on swap and you swap your tokens. It can either be AVAX or Key, Pangolin, whatever you have. You can swap it into ELK, and then you're gonna deposit ELK right here, and you're gonna select where to send. In our case, we're gonna send it to Fantom. Again, you're gonna need AVAX to pay your gas fees, so make sure you have in your Avalanche wallet some AVAX to pay the fees. Again, another thing that you might consider, if it's the first time you're migrating to the Fantom network, you might consider swapping one ELK for gas. Why? Because over there the gas fees are gonna be in Fantom, and you already need to have some Fantom to start with. You don't need that much. Fantom is not that expensive, but still you need some amount of Fantom to pay all the gas fees. Of course, you don't need to do this. You can also find some faucets which are going to provide you some small amount of Fantom, so you can at least do the first transaction to swap your coin that you've bridged in to some Fantom. But over here you have this option. If you just click swap elk, swap one elk for gas. So you're gonna put your amount right here and you're gonna approve. You're gonna approve on your MetaMask. See, you're gonna approve on your MetaMask right here. You're gonna pay the little fee, which is $17 or 0.0043 AVAX. And whenever you accept that, you're gonna transfer your elk into the Fantom network. So it's as easy as this, and it's pretty easy. And once you're done, you can just log in into your MetaMask and you will see your Fantom right here, or whatever stablecoin you transferred all the way here. So this is basically it. It's pretty straightforward and is as easy as it gets. So I don't use the Ethereum network, so I have no idea how to transfer from Ethereum, just because gas fees are absurd over there. So I don't even get close to the Ethereum mainnet. But for all these other ones, you can either use xPollinate or elk.finance. But anyways, I hope this was helpful, and if it was, please leave a like and subscribe here, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Peace.